I ran through the course yesterday. It's very fast, but also so elements. You have to pay attention. You have to watch your steps on places. So I really like it. Yeah, or 10K, 32:44. So I really hope to be able to challenge my PB after training here in Kenya. Yeah. I'm going to run a half marathon and a marathon this spring, so I hope I will be in good shape after the training here and the competition and training here in Kenya. I'm getting so relaxed here because everyone is so friendly, and I just like the atmosphere, and it's really beautiful running conditions. Tomorrow I hope there's a lot of local heroes here in Kenya, so I will have the opportunity to compare myself to them, but they're running really fast, so I hope I will be satisfied with my results anyway. So I'm using this race to be a better version of myself and compare myself to the Kenyan athletes.
My preparation to this cross country, I've prepared and I'm hoping for the best. Yes, I will use this cross country as other people also used to catch themselves to prepare for coming cross country, world cross country. Yeah. Competition will be amazing. Yeah, I can say it will be amazing. It's good to race against the international athletes. Yeah, I'm expecting a good course, as also cross country have some challenging in the course. Yeah, everybody knows that.
Matter of improving, I've been improving every day. It's a matter, just tomorrow it's a matter of running, and it's a matter of working hard because we have a strong field. I'm just going to try my best, and once I say I will try my best, I'm going to do what I've been doing, so I'm going to do my things.
Kuja kupambana ni vizuri kuja kujichangana na Wakenya kama kina Ibenyo pamoja na wengine. Naamini nitapambana na mimi nifanye vizuri. Nimeshiriki Common Game Youth ilifanyika Trinidad and Tobago. Nilikutana na baadhi ya wachezaji wa Kenya. Nilikimbia nilifanya vizuri. Kwa kuja kukimbia cross country Sirikwa ni mara yangu ya kwanza. Nitapambana kufanya vizuri.
Muda wako bora ni
kimbia Valencia 10K na 28:10.
Nishawahi kushiriki hapa Kenya. Hii ni awamu yangu ya 3. Yeah. Na nishawahi mara nyingi nashiriki sana Tanzania. Yeah.
labda muda wako.
Naamini ipo siku nitakuwa kama yeye.
Haya,